are still using this one.
And I need a toy.
Yeah, we got some food coloring and some golden glitter.
Open it.
So I can make these shiny. Since I'm 7, I can open this.
And then the try. Okay, you take. You take, Henry.
Look at this. We have different colors. Look, we can make a seahorse and a crab. Hello, Mr. Crab. And Patrick Star. Look, it's Patrick Star.
Look, a trap.
Okay, are we ready? The first step is to take your sand and put it into your bucket.
I'm taking this one.
Okay, but be careful for that
And
hole.
I take this one.
We're
Ready?
making kinetic. Wow! Wow,
So
that's
the
a little
sand.
dusty.
Yeah, and next we put in the cornstarch, and for 2 pounds, we're gonna use about a third of a cup, I'm sorry, so a little bit less than a half a cup,
Cornstarch.
but more than a quarter of a cup.
We need to mix in. Wait, did we use this spoon?
Pretty good. You can, or you can use your hand. Okay, no, that might be a little much, but we'll go for it.
Okay. Tell me to do this.
All of
Alright,
it?
Yep, and then you're gonna mix it in.
Okay,
And get it mixed in really
okay,
well with
my
the sand.
My
Yep, I'm gonna get you yours
I'm
too.
mixing it. Try this at home. This will get very messy. This is very messy, but guys should try this at home. Kinetic.
Now
Why is
get
it-
it mixed in there really good.
Why
Liam,
is-
are you mixing yours?
Why is it called kinetic sand?
First, that you're supposed to stick to your bucket.
turn.
See, you want to mix the sand with the cornstarch before we add the soapy water.
Wait, mine's not getting
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I've got soapy water. You're gonna put in just half a cup, but a little bit at a time. So, we're gonna do a quarter of a cup for Henry.
And then me.
But no. I'm gonna pour part of it in, and you're gonna mix. They say really put just a little bit in at a time.
Nick, for me.
You're next. Keep going. Mix it in really
Tell me
good.
when I'm done.
You're not done yet. And once I'm done with the water, you keep mixing. I gotta put Liam's in.
This is kinetic.
All right, okay, here, let's try a bigger bowl and see if that helps with the mixing. Oh yeah, see, there's a lot of dry stuff in there.
I don't want to.
Yeah, first Henry's gonna do his. Mix it all up. There you go, that's a better bowl to mix it in.
I can put mine.
Do you wanna mix them together? Let's mix them together and then we can separate them again to add food coloring. Okay?
Liam!
Ready, Liam?
If you haven't seen the previous episodes, go check them out. Like our very first video.
The best one.
Yeah.
All right, how's this coming, Liam? Let's check it out. Ooh.
Which one is the final finale video?
I don't know, but when you're done with a color, you can fill up the Tupperware. That's where we're gonna keep them to play with them.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
Henry. So what did you do to the color there?
We're mixing yellow and blue to make this green.
Excellent. Ooh, that looks good. So the blue bowl, the bigger bowl to mix, is definitely easier, huh, Henry? Would you say than the small bowl to mix it in?
There's still some
Oh.
yellow and blue.
All right, and you've got the red. Let's see, does that work? Oh, sort of. Nice.
Look at our kinetic stand. We did a lot of mess.
Can we have the
Okay, you should really try this at home. It's messy and fun.
It's green.
He made a green one.
I don't want my green hand. No.
Okay, you want to help him mix it? And then we're going to store it in that Tupperware, right, Henry?
Yeah.
All right, well, I have to say this was a messy one.
Liam, do you want to dump your red one right here?
Well, there's some of our kinetic
No, not there.
sand.
This is where mine's supposed to
See?
be. Liam, look.
The Nissan Metro Game Show on the
Bendy?
WCS Met Radio Network has been sponsored by Nissan. Choose Nissan today. For
Nice. Did it work? Nice.
Look,
This was fun though.
little flame.
Kinetic sand. We made kinetic sand.
So Liam, are you playing with the sand? Make sure you stuff it really well in there.
Wow, this was a lot of fun.
You liked this one?
And did you like this one?
Henry, did you?
Yeah.
What would you tell the kids?
This was so much fun. Well, this is all today on Henry's House of Hell. See you next time, guys. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye.